Previously on Survivor. As Kat was the first person to leave the game after merge, the original Sunshine Tribe members' chances of staying in the game was trimmed down further. The players face a classic eating competition where Carla, hungry for a win, emerged victorious. With Carla being immune and Karel not considered as a threat, it sealed the fate of Jen to pack her belongings and go home as she was not able to convince others to vote for the biggest threat, Rayan.
Dapat ako sa auction, yes. Pero ako natatanggap.
Picturean daw
Okay
kayo.
guys, welcome to our Survivor auction! Okay. Kung may gusto kayong i-bid, i-bid nyo siya
Masarap naman yung mga-
kasi we don't know when matatapos yung bidding, okay? May mga items akong i-reveal na ipapakita sa inyo for auction. Meron din naman mga covered, okay? Alright, so I'll be giving you this money. Please get one and pass. May laman niyang pera.
Ay, wow!
Increment of $1, okay?
Salamat.
Increment of $1.
Sobra.
First item, I will reveal. Wine and ano to? Hi, cheese platter na merong fruit and salami. Okay, bidding starts at 1. Ayaw? Mag-bid kayo. Ayaw nyo? Bidding starts at 1. Wala? 1 for Harl. Going once. Going twice. Sold for Harl. Come on.
Okay, you can finish it if you want to.
Kunin mo na yung ano, yung pagkain.
Yung pagkain mo pa. Kinain na naman yan kanina. Gutom siya. Kamay na tayo. Pakta ko.
Next item. It will remain covered. Bidding starts at 2. $2 may din. Wala. Going once. Going twice. Sold for Maylin.
For $2.
For $2, you have cheeseburger and cola.
Here you go. Uy, galing sa amin yung cheeseburger. Nakakain ako kanina rin. Gutom ka na kanina. Parang kagat pa to. Gutom ka na. Gutom na ako actually.
Wow, sarap.
Guys, hindi ba na
Okay guys, ready for next item? Ready. Okay, next item, remain covered.
$1.
$1 Karel. $2. $3 Carla. Wala. Going once. Going twice. Sold for Carla.
For $3.
For $3. Okay, Carla. 1, 2, 3. You got cookies and milk.
Wow! Thank you.
That's called milk plus cookie. Buti lang hindi ako
Ako din talaga.
Kailan kukunin mo yung...
The next item. Covered.
$2.
$2 Karel. $3 Maylin. $4 Casey. Going once. Going twice. Sold for Casey for $4.
Uripot mo naman. Hindi ako immunity.
I'm telling you guys.
1, 2, 3,
Any moment,
$4.
mag-stop to.
Okay, for $4, Casey, you got tap water.
Galing mo.
Buti may inom ako ng tubig kanina.
Okay. Thank you.
Mahal naman. Ibian.
Mamaya.
Oh.
Yun lang.
Iced caramel macchiato. This is Starbucks.
Starbucks ice caramel.
Starbucks iced caramel macchiato. Sold for Mylene. Iced caramel macchiato. Okay.
Yay!
So you got
Immunity challenge.
donuts. Okay, next item. This is an advantage for the game.
For the next game.
On the next game.
4.
May $4 ka pa? $4 for Mylene. $5 Rayan.
Pautang.
Bawal mo utang. $7 Carla.
9.
$9 Carl.
Wow.
Give me $10. Wala? Wala?
No.
No sharing. Okay. Going once. Going twice. Sold for hard. Advantage on the game. Do not read it yet. Okay, just keep it. Okay, next item. These are letters from home. Really? Letters from your family, from your friends back in the Philippines. Tunay. Verhel, Justin, Casey, Har, Rayan, Mylene, Karel, Carla. Start the bidding. $2. Verhel. $3 Justin. $4 Verhel. 5 Justin. 6 Verhel. 6 and a half. Increments of 1. 7. 7 Justin. 7 Justin. Going once. Going twice. 8 for Verhel. 10 for Justin. Pag nag-tie, draw rocks kayo. 10. Going once. Going twice. Verhel. Sold for Justin. $10.
Sa uli ko.
Justin. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright, Justin. There's a catch.
Ano ba yan?
There's a catch. In exchange of your own letter, I will give all these letters to your tribe mates in exchange of your letter. Will you do it or no? It's up to you.
Hindi mababasa.
Bill money, hindi naman ito.
Hindi mo na rin mababasa yung letter mo.
Ano guys, may expect ba kayong ano? Ha?
Sige, bigay ko na.
Asa lahat?
Sakripisyo si Justin.
Except Carla, hindi nakinig. Hindi pa nakinig, uubusin pa daw.
Thank you, Beth. Thank you, Beth.
Sino kaya? Babasahin?
Yes, babasahin.
Nagandang iyak na ako.
Casey,
Babasahin.
Burrell,
Basahin ba? Basahin na?
Dear Heart, you have given our family so much care and concern. Salamat sa laging pag-asikaso and all the thoughtfulness that you showered us, especially Andy and Joaquin.
Si ate.
Kaya tuloy miss na miss ka na nila at parati tinatanong kung kailan daw ba uuwi si Tita Harl. Haha. Napakabuti mong anak at kapatid. Nakita ko yung pag-aalaga mo kina nanay at tatay. Alam kong miss na miss mo na din sila. Praying also that you can spend time with them pag nakaipon na ng leave credits. I'm so happy to know that finally may working visa ka na. Yay! God indeed has always a better plan. Way better than what we have expected or dreamed of. Thank you for taking care of Jen. Always look out for each other. Alam ko na mahirap ang malayo sa pamilya. Love you and always take care. See you soon. Yay! Love that. Ate out.
My childhood friend, my travel buddy, I just want you to know that I am so proud of you and everything you accomplished. You're an incredibly strong and brave person, and I've no doubt that you will reach whatever. Wag na, ayoko.
yung last leg.
Ha?
Last leg.
Thank you, and I'm truly grateful for our friendship. Uwi ka na, travel na ulit tayo. I miss you and I love you.
Kanino?
Best
Kaya
friend.
galing?
Kanina galing.
Kaya nagaling?
Sa best friend ko.
Dami na pag iniyak. Sino kaya?
Wow. Handwritten talaga. Yung principal nila.
Yan ba yan? Si Mama. Yung sinatouch ako. Ako iniiyak ako.
Ganun tumawa.
Neng, musta na lang. Ikaw mag-ingat dyan. Lagi kang magdasal. Ingatan ng Panginoon sa trabaho. Gala. Enjoy lang work. Mamahalin ng mga katrabaho. Kasi sila yung kalawang pamilya mo dyan. Malayo man kami laging nagtanda. Sobrang mahal at sobrang miss ka namin. Ayun. Love na love ka rin na pa si Kuya Bebe. Eunice. Ryzen. Huwag mo kalimutan magdasal. Mama.
Yung mayor.
From my sister and my friend. So this is from my friend, Hello Birds, miss ka namin. Masaya and proud na proud kami sa mga achievements mo. Deserve mo lahat ng blessings dahil napakabuti mo anak, kapatid, tito at kaibigan. Sa tagal natin magkakaibigan, parang kapatid ka na namin. Swerte ng ang mga anak ko dahil may labing at generous tito, ninong Birds sila. Na noon pa man ay mahal-mahal na sila. Di man madalas ang communication natin dahil kami andito para sa iyo. Enjoy dyan sa US. Ingatan mo palagi ang sarili mo. We love you. This is from my the wife of my roommate before in Quezon City. Yeah. Na kasama ko rin sa Qatar. And my sister, hi Kuya Berhel, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for everything you do for our family. Your selflessness and dedication are truly inspiring. You've been working abroad for so long, living far from home, and we appreciate all the sacrifices you make to support us. Your hard work and commitment have not gone unnoticed. You have been our pillar of strength, and we are incredibly proud of you. Your perseverance and resilience in facing the challenges of working in a different country are admirable. Every day you put others before yourself, and it means the world to us. I also want to say sorry for all the family issues you have to shoulder. It's unfair that so much has fallen on your shoulders, and we're truly grateful for your patience and understanding through it all. We want you to know that how much we love you and that it's okay to choose yourself first at times. Your well-being and happiness are just as important as ours. Please take time for yourself, do things that bring you joy, and remember that you deserve all the good things life has to offer. Please take care, we love you.
Yes!
Nalala ko yung Florida.
Haba naman. Pauwi lang din.
Sumupanting.
To Carla, I want to take a moment to say thank you to my amazing sister-in-law, you who moved to Temple last year to pursue her career. Carla, your unwavering love and generosity have touched our hearts in countless ways. You have been a constant source of support and joy to our entire family, especially to your niece Adrian. She misses her Auntie Carla dearly and often talks about the fun and loving moments you shared. This summer break, we had the incredible opportunity to be with you, and those moments are ones we will cherish forever. You brought so much happiness and warmth to our lives, reminding us of just how special you are. Your dedication and hard work in your new role inspire us every day. We know that the people in Baylor are incredibly lucky to have such a compassionate and skilled nurse taking care of them. Though it's 16 hours straight flight from Dubai, our love and appreciation for you remain stronger than ever. We miss you dearly and look forward to the next time we can all be together. Thank you for everything you do, Kaka. You are truly blessed. You are truly a blessing to us all. With our love, Ate Marisa, Kuya Jay, and your best friend, Adrian.
Yeah.
From my friend. Hi Casey, I am wishing you an amazing time with your friends. May it be filled with joy, learning, and camaraderie. Remember, it's not just about winning. It's just about the journey. Enjoy every moment.
From home?
My friend, my best friend.
Best friend.
Okay, ma'am. My dearest friend. Alam ko na na-surprise ka sa pagbasa mo ng letter. So, kahit araw-araw tayo magka-chat. Miss ka na namin ng mga kapatid mo. Lalo na kapag nagluluto kita yung favorite mo ulam. Pasensya ka na anak dahil ikaw na ang naging provider ng pamilya natin kahit nung nabubuhay pa si papa mo. Kaya natutuwa ako at unti-unting natutupad mo na ang pangarap mo. Ang hirap na malayo sa amin. Nagtitiis ka dyan para mabigyan kami ng magandang buhay. Nagpapasalamat din ako at meron kang mga bagong kaibigan dyan na naggagabay sa'yo. Basta't lagi na tayo panalig kay Lord, di kayo nakababayaan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Mama.
Pwede kong bilhin yung kay Justin.
No, I'm sorry.
That's it. That ends our auction. I hope it boosts your soul from the food, from the letters, love from home, from your friends. That's it.
Hindi mo na ba?
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode. Next time on Survivor. The tribe will face yet another challenge where their patience will be tested. Who will succeed despite of this grueling game?
May din, still did nothing. Umahabol siya.
Gitna ako, baby ako.
Yes!